Check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me. As always, before I get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we are, troops. Monday, the 26th of September, the start of a new trading week. And I must admit, last week was hard watching. Even for those of us that have been around for a while following the stock market, that was not pretty at all. Quickly going to look at AMC here. What I've noticed when I was looking at the daily chart, I actually missed it before, but I've kind of got one part of it marked up here. We've got a head and shoulders. There you go. Shoulder. Head. You can see that quite clearly, and there's the other shoulder right there. So we covered that gap, which I was looking for, and that's probably why I missed this, because I was so focused on that gap down there and getting that filled, and I was really happy about that. Now what we've got here is the neckline here. I honestly think, troops, if we break below this, it's not going to look pretty at all. So steel yourselves for that, ready yourselves for that. If you are hodling, just keep that in mind. Hopefully we get a bounce. You know, I'm not really sure how much worse it can get. Well, it can get worse. It can go to zero. Everything can go to zero. So it's got room to get worse. But I'm a bit tired of people, and you know, I'm going to say something now which I've not really talked about in the past. I've tried to keep my channel neutral, but all this turmoil that you see and all this inflation and all this, that, and the other, it's a direct consequence of the policies that have been around for the last few years, okay? And I'm talking like the last 2 or 3 years. So you know what I'm talking about. All the money that's been printed, everybody that was cheering for furlough and everybody that was championing lockdowns and all this sort of stuff, stifling business, stopping people trading, thinking that you can buy your way out of a crisis. It's absolutely the root cause of what we're seeing now. The cost of living. Listen, Ukraine, yeah, okay, it's got a part to play, of course it has. But this started long before the Ukraine situation ever developed, okay? In the context of where it is today. It's been going on for years, but of where it is today. So, you know, people are complaining, it's terrible, cost of living, blah, 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 the stock market, currency's dropping, blah. Hey, guess what? Reap what you sow, I'm afraid. So all you people who sat there championing it, screaming for lockdowns, put them away, get everybody off the streets, blah, blah, blah. Congratulations, because this is the net result of what you were asking for. Quite controversial, I know. Probably going to lose a lot of subscribers. But that's the way I feel about it, and I can't hold it in anymore. Okay, that's my opinion on it. So you can say what you want, think what you want, subscribe, unsubscribe. I'm not here to gain popularity. I'm here to just put it into my words, and those are my words. So tough week for the stock market. Anyway, over to GME. Again, a tough week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday there. We were in that period of consolidation, but we've absolutely been come right back down to that low mid-20s level. Interested to see where we did finish green on Friday when everyone else appeared to be finishing red. AMC finished slightly green as well. So there's some strength there, troops, and this is what keeps me going, because I can see the DD that's been done. I can read the DD that's been done behind these, and it's playing out. A lot of what people were saying a year ago, a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, is playing out in real time. So that's what keeps me motivated. That's what keeps me interested in it. So like I said, the price is the price, and that's what we focus on here. Technical analysis, looking at the charts, seeing where we're going. Again, we've got this support line here at $22. So, you know, are we going to test that again? Let's pop that in, and then let's see where we are. Yeah, it's about $22.50. You see you've got support here and you've got some resistance here, so it's natural. So I'm interested to see if we drop down that low. Obviously, do what you want, buy, sell, up to you, troops. Not really bothered here. But that's the state of play, troops, on AMC and GME, and my opinion on why we are seeing such turmoil in the markets. And it's as simple as that. And please, somebody, if you can show me it's any different, or then I'm all ears. I really am all ears. I'm open to be educated. So that's it, troops. Bit of a whistle stop there, bit of a rant. But sometimes you just need to get it off your chest, and that's what I'm doing today. So wherever you are in the world, as always, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.